Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cleaning cart is probably one of the most delightful ways to get your kids involved in household chores. These carts are designed to make cleaning fun and engaging for children, offering a sense of responsibility and accomplishment. With colorful designs and child-friendly tools, they transform cleaning tasks into exciting playtime activities. Join me as we explore the features and benefits of the best cleaning carts available. Number 5. Play 22 Kids 4-Piece Cleaning Set. This Play 22 cleaning set is perfect for kids. It's a great way for them to learn about cleaning and housekeeping through pretend play. It's a wonderful gift for any occasion. The set includes a broom, mop, brush, and dustpan. This toy set allows children to mimic real-life cleaning tasks. They can have hours of fun while learning. This set is designed for realistic functionality. It can actually be used to clean their rooms. It helps develop creative confidence. It's a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. This set is designed for both boys and girls. They will love to play with it. This toy set is a great way to encourage kids to help around the house. It helps them learn what supplies work on different household items. Get yours today. What we like. This set offers a basic, yet complete cleaning experience. It allows kids to mimic real-life cleaning tasks. If you are looking for a simple and functional set to introduce your child to cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. She started sweeping immediately. The mop and broom are great quality. Well made and sturdy. Number 4. Play 22 12-Piece Kids Cleaning Set. This amazing cleaning set is perfect for kids. It includes everything they need to pretend to clean, just like adults. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun. The set comes with a broom, mop, brush, dustpan, duster, and more. It even has a spray bottle and a caution sign. This set has everything your child needs for hours of fun. This set is made with high-quality materials, so it's built to last. The tools are designed to be just like the real thing, allowing kids to engage in realistic pretend play. This set helps kids learn what supplies work best on different household items and areas. It encourages them to be creative and confident in their play. Looking for a great gift? This cleaning set is perfect for birthdays and holidays. It's a fun and educational toy that boys and girls will love. What we like. With more tools, this set provides a more comprehensive cleaning experience. It includes a variety of accessories for different cleaning scenarios. If your child enjoys a more diverse play experience and wants to tackle various cleaning tasks, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. Very realistic and sturdy. The plastic material is very sturdy and holds up well with a wild toddler. It's so cute. It comes with a broom, brush, duster, microfiber cloths, mop, wet floor sign, bucket, and spray bottle. You can even teach them how to clean and use these to actually clean, not just play. Number 3. Casdon Henry Cleaning Trolley Set. This cleaning trolley set is inspired by the real Henry Hoover. It allows little ones to pretend to be grown-ups. It helps encourage their imaginations during playtime. With this set, kids have endless ways to play. They can dust, brush, or mop. All the tools have Henry's friendly red face. Let your little ones learn and develop valuable skills. This toy line includes a vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, and cleaning trolley. They are sold separately. The set includes a branded Henry trolley with a working hand vacuum, mop, bucket, broom, hand brush, dustpan, and pretend detergent bottles. It requires 3 XAA batteries. This toy is suitable for children aged 3 and up. It is not suitable for children under 3 due to small parts. The product dimensions are 28 cm, L, x 31 cm, W, x 54.8 cm, H, and it weighs 1.31 kilograms. What we like. This cleaning trolley features a fun, recognizable design. It includes a working hand vacuum, adding an interactive element to playtime. If you want a cleaning set that combines fun with functionality and encourages imaginative play, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to assemble, the parts itself seem durable and not flimsy, and the size is perfect for my son who is above average height for a 5-year-old. He's had it for a while now, and it has really held up well. Compared to the other cleaning sets I have bought, this one has held up against 3 toddlers since Christmas. It does drag in the front now, but everything else is perfect and is used daily. Number 2. Casdon Hetty Deluxe Cleaning Trolley. This is a toy play set inspired by the real Hetty Hoover. Little ones can now pretend to be grown-ups while they play. It helps encourage their imaginations. Kids will have endless ways to play with this cleaning trolley set. It includes every cleaning tool. They can enjoy dusting, brushing, or mopping. Let the little ones learn and develop valuable skills as they play. This is part of the Casdon Henry and Hetty toy line. Other toys are sold separately. The set includes a branded Henry trolley with a working hand vacuum, mop, bucket, broom, hand brush, dustpan, and pretend detergent bottles. It requires 3 AA batteries. The product dimensions are 11.02 L, x 12.20 W, x 21.57 H, and it weighs 2.89 pounds. This toy is suitable for children aged 3 and up. It is not suitable for children under 3 due to small parts. They will love it. What we like? This cleaning trolley features a fun, recognizable design. It includes a working hand vacuum, adding an interactive element to playtime. If you want a cleaning set that combines fun with functionality and encourages imaginative play, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to assemble, the parts itself seem durable and not flimsy, and the size is perfect for my son who is above average height for a 5-year-old. He's had it for a while now, and it has really held up well. Compared to the other cleaning sets I have bought, this one has held up against 3 toddlers since Christmas. It does drag in the front now, but everything else is perfect and is used daily. Number 1. JustForKids Wooden Cleaning Set, 6 pieces. This wooden cleaning set includes a broom, mop, brush, duster, dustpan, and stand. It has everything your child needs for pretend play. It also allows them to learn how to do housework. This set is designed for children to pretend play housekeeping and develop good habits. With the included cards, kids are motivated to plan and complete tasks. They will gain confidence and a sense of accomplishment. This cute and colorful cleaning set is perfect for pretend play. Learning to do housework is common for kids, and this toy helps them achieve their dream of being grown up. It's a great gift. Kids learn by imitation, and this kid-safe cleaning tool set is perfect for getting them interested in cleaning. Let the little ones work alongside you to model independence. It cultivates planning and builds responsibility from an early age. This set is designed to be a STEM toy. It helps children understand how things work. It is a great way to introduce them to the world of science, technology, engineering, and math. What we like? This set is made of wood, offering a classic and durable feel. It includes a stand to organize the cleaning tools, teaching children about responsibility. If you are looking for a cleaning set that is both educational and encourages good habits, this is the perfect choice. What people say. My daughter absolutely loves this toy cleaning set. All items came neatly boxed and ready to assemble. Assembling the items was very easy and quick. Each item is very easy to keep clean as well. Sits nicely in a corner. Bought more than a year ago and it still hasn't broken and my kids still love to play with it and help clean. Great size for a toddler. Exactly what I needed to keep her out of the real ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.